Good afternoon, everybody. Ndị Igbo ekele m unu. 2 minutes is just too much. Ihe m chọrọ ikwu na Iyom Josephine has lived up to expectation, and we are not surprised that you could drive Nkata Ndị Inyom up to today. When it started, I was like, just try your best. But your best is just more than enough. Congratulations. For me, all the people that had spoken while I was seated had delivered good speeches from bottom of their hearts, and that's the reality of the time. You can't fault it anywhere. And so I adopt such wonderful speeches. And have to add, the women, we should do what the Igbo women are known for. And what's that? Support the good of the land, support justice. And of course, about women riots have been mentioned here. But now, as somebody from Ministry of Labor, I believe that it's no more fashionable to do riots. It's no more fashionable to fight. It's no more fashionable to disagree violently. But what is fashionable is that we have to take our bold step to begin to engage the people we need to engage. We need to imbibe social dialogue, like what you're doing today. Those who don't want to hear, they have heard. The people who said we are not going to come because it's women issues, they have heard because of the world we are in. Everyone has an ear under your Android, televisions, Twitter, Instagram, and all of those. So I am saying that it is time to down our tools and focus on how, even though it's banned, that women know they grieve for anybody. We will adopt it for this special moment, that Nigerian women no go grieve for anybody in positive terms. And so I align with Nkata Ndị Inyom and say that it is all going to be well with us. Women have been heard loud and clear, and will continue to rely on our fathers and our uncles, our husbands and our friends to partner with us to make sure that our dreams come true. Thank you, and God bless you.
In the heart of the city where stories unfold, Njenje Media TV shining bright and bold, bringing news from the corners of the globe, connects us together no matter the road.